Hi, I'm Josh Emett and I'm doing a collab with Woop. We are cooking for you today a pan-fried teriyaki, bouillabaisse sauce and a gorgeous saffron aioli. So we're going to slice our shallots pretty much the same size or thickness as the fennel. Generous amounts of olive oil. In with your shallots. Nice medium to high heat. And then in with your tomatoes to blister those tomatoes. Then in with your fennel. We're basically just going to soften all that down in the olive oil. Pinch of salt to start as well. And that softens down really quickly. So a little bit of colour is fine. And then in with your beautiful, rich bouillabaisse stock. So we're just going to cook that until it really softens down. The tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, will start to break down nicely and the sauce will slightly start to thicken. Then in with about 2 tablespoons of butter. And that'll start to thicken up really nicely as those tomatoes break down. So nice non-stick pan, generous drizzle of olive oil, medium-high heat. Quickly roll your parsley up into a little bunch and chop that through. Okay, teriyaki fillets in the pan, lay them away from you. And pinch of seasoning on that underside. So we're going to gently pan fry them one side for about a minute and then flip them over, reduce the heat and just let them finish through so it's done beautiful and tender. Okay, gently flip the fish over. And then reduce the heat. And that last side will take literally 30 seconds to cook through. So bouillabaisse is finished, softened right down. Gently on with our fillets of teriyaki. Okay, then generous serving of that amazing saffron aioli. And finish with chopped parsley. So there we have it, steamed rice. Pan-fried teriyaki with bouillabaisse sauce, saffron aioli and parsley. Just a gorgeous weeknight dinner.